Allrecht, let's talk foldables. The market for these futuristic bendy screen smartphones was supposed to keep growing, right? Well, nope. Instead, we're seeing negative growth, which is a fancy way of saying people just aren't buying them like they used to. Even Samsung's Galaxy G series is struggling, and that's a big deal because Samsung basically invented the foldable hype. Yup, manufacturers are betting that a foldable iPhone will swoop in, save the market, and make foldables mainstream again. And guess what? Apple's first foldable is expected by late 2026 or early 2027, but it's shaping up to be very different from what we've seen before. According to Bing Chiger's latest report, Apple's foldable won't just be another Galaxy Fold clone. The specs? No crease. That alone is a big flex because, let's be real, creases have been one of the biggest pain points for foldables. Main display, 7.8 inches. Cover display, 5.5 inches. Thickness, 9 to 9.5 millimeters when folded, just 5 millimeters when unfolded. Cameras, dual camera setup. Materials, a mix of stainless steel and titanium, with a titanium outer frame. And here's an interesting bit, Face ID might not make the cut. Because of internal space constraints, Apple could go old school and bring back Touch ID on the side button instead. For the first generation, Apple isn't going all in on mass production. Only 3 million units are expected at launch. But here's the twist, by the second generation, production could jump to 20 million units, which hints that Apple is planning a much bigger push later on. According to a Barclays report, Apple's first foldable could start at $2,300. Yes, you read that right. $2,300. That's basically the price of two iPhone 16 Pro Maxes stacked together. This price. It's already $1.5 million $100 more expensive than Samsung's Galaxy G9. And while Apple might justify it with the whole true crease-free display marketing, that price tag is going to make a lot of people hesitate. So, what's Apple's plan? Seems like Gen 1 is the ultra-premium test run, while Gen 2 will be the real mass-market foldable. Makes sense, considering the limited production at first and the huge jump later. But the real question is, would you actually pay $2,300 for a foldable iPhone? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because at this price, it better be insanely good. Thanks for watching.